Hey guys, it's me Crystal from Print My Party Studio over on Etsy, and I wanted to share a few more products that I've just made that it's going to be awesome for this holiday season. So first off, I have in my hands are these adorable little food tags. So if you're going to have a Christmas party, why not have a gingerbread decorating party, right? So you can go on over there and you can get these cute little themed food labels that have my pattern on them, and then you can write in whatever food label you have. They're double-sided, so you can just print them out, and then you can, my kitty's talking, and then you can write on it. And I also, in the same listing, I have round ones as well. So in case you want to have them propped up on sticks or something cute like that, or just like laid down on the table, you have circle options as well as square options. I'm also really excited that in the same listing, not only is there just those labels, but there's also these drink labels as well. So it's also has the same pattern, so you can have the same unique theme, and you can write people's names in there so no one will accidentally steal your drink. I know, it's great. And then like it's super cute to have these little straw flags. So you could also put someone's initials on these as well, but otherwise they're just super cute. There's a little gingerbread man on each side. And I just think that looks really cute to finish off the whole gingerbread theme look. So yeah, so in addition to those fun party things, I also have these really cute coffee sleeves. They're easy to print out, and then you just cut them. And I'll show you how to fold them. So right now I just have mine sealed with tape. If you want to be extra fancy, you can put like a cardboard liner in this to make it thicker, but it's probably fine. So I'm just gonna peel off the tape just so I can demo. So this is the full size of it, and you just have to curl it in and then tape it. If you want it to be, you can also, as long as you have the quote that says "Have a cup of cheer" on the front, you can squish it down and fold it like how you normally see coffee sleeves, and that way it can puck, excuse me, it can puck back out. And yeah. Yeah, so there's that. And then another product is this really cute poster I made for a guessing jar. If you're gonna have a party, you might as well have a guessing jar, right? You can fill it up with candies, and then you can have the name and the person's guess on these, and you can drop them into like a little box. And at the end of the night, you can see who won the guessing jar. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So go please check out my shop over on Etsy at Print My Party Studio, and I would love to see if, what you guys think of the stuff. So please leave a comment below. Bye-bye.